again from chasing classic cars and buying, selling and restoring classic cars. Here you can see some shoots from how I rebuilt the head from a 3.5 coupe. So here is the head. This part is already a little bit detailed. This one is how it looks when it comes out of the car. So by my first look it looks pretty decent, needs to be clean, but as you can see, the valves are sticking out pretty good. So it means they're not too much used yet. So the car was running fine, but like it's been sitting long, I decided to take off the heads and to go over and clean everything. So here I'm doing cleaning up, and I make the valves fitting again. So like we're gonna show you a little later how it works. Here I took out everything. I put everything on a table, so you can see those valves are already cleaned up and those still needs to be cleaned. So as you can see, it's clean, but you have to see a line where the valve is actually fitting in the head. We're gonna put one valve back in the head. You see, it fits in. Already, if you're used to it and you hear almost on the sound, you can hear it fits pretty good. So here is the line where it's supposed to fit perfect. So how it works. Right now I'm just waiting for my camera girl. She's on the way here to film me when I do some stuff, because with one hand working, with the other keeping the camera is pretty difficult. Honey, where are you?